Hi everyone, my name is Sean with the Elevate team, and I'm excited to be teaching you the 5 ways to customize your virtual icebreakers. We're going to do it right now. Now here in the studio, we've got my friend Billy who's running slides and helping me with changing camera angles. And what we are doing is we're teaching you how to customize your virtual icebreakers for your virtual event. And here is the first one. I'm going to go straight into it. The first thing that you can do is you can customize the name of your virtual icebreaker. Here's what I mean by that. Here at Elevate on our own YouTube channel, you can check out a video about how to play this game called Emoji Battle. In Emoji Battle, you can tell the audience to choose, are they a team 1 dog person or cat person, or team 2 a dog person or a cat person. For example, the way that you would change the name of Emoji Battle is if you have a client or you're doing a virtual event for, say, the Home Depot, you could change it from Emoji Battle to Home Depot Battle. So that is number 1, is you can change the name of your virtual icebreaker. The second thing you can do to customize your icebreaker for your virtual event is to change the colors and the logo of your icebreaker. This is a picture of Billy who's running the slides right now. And he is on screen with a company called Sargento. We changed the fonts, the colors, and the logo all throughout our entire icebreaker just for that one event. And it was a really big home run for the entire crew because they felt cared for because it was customized to them. The third thing that you can do is you can change the theme of your virtual icebreaker or change your icebreaker to match the theme of the event. Here's a picture of an event that we did where the theme was all about leadership and inspiring people. So we customized the icebreakers that we were doing to fit the leadership theme. The next way that you can customize your icebreaker is to match the content of the day. Another favorite icebreaker of ours that you can view right here on our YouTube channel is this or that in chat. And if you are doing a leadership or maybe an inspirational and a learning and motivating type virtual event, you can ask the question, how do you learn? Is it through books or is it through podcasts? So change the questions within your icebreaker or what you're talking about to match the theme of the event. And then the last one that you can do is you can customize your virtual icebreaker to match the audience of your event. Now, here's an example of what I mean by that as well. Sometimes your audience is going to have different preferences depending upon their makeup. There is a vast difference if you're doing a music-inspired and a music-filled icebreaker. There's a difference between people who love country music and people who love pop music. So if you have a majority of your audience that choose country over pop, do not go with the pop music, go with the country music. Now, if you like these tips and if you love these, you're going to love all of the other videos that we have right here on our YouTube channel. And we would love it if you click the subscribe button as well as the bell icon and even give this video a thumbs up, letting us know that you liked it. In fact, I would love to hear from you. What is another way that we have not thought of for how you can customize your icebreaker to match your virtual event? And at Elevate, we are giving away a free gift for you. It is called the Ultimate Virtual Event Roadmap. It is filled with 5 different steps that you need to take and 5 things you need to bring with you on your own road trip to mapping out your own ultimate virtual event. It is a fantastic resource. We've gotten hundreds of people who have opted in for it, and you can do it at virtualeventsecrets.today, or just go into the description of this video and you can check it out for yourself. And if you like this video, you're going to love following us on Instagram and LinkedIn, where you can follow us and see even more virtual event tips that we are constantly putting out pretty much daily. And in fact, one last thing I have for you is in the description below, we are also for sale. We have listed pre-made slides with 20 rounds of our favorite icebreaker games of Emoji Battle and this or that in chat. And again, Emoji Battle is a really simple one where you can have people in chat say, are they team 1 or team 2? And we have 20 rounds pre-made and it's customizable for sale on our website. Again, if you like this video. We would love it if you went over to virtualeventsecrets.today, where we've got blogs, we've got more videos and tons of great content, including that free gift for you. Well, you guys, this was fun, but it's time for me to run out of the screen because I've got to go take off for another virtual event. We hope that you guys stay awesome. We hope that we helped you elevate your own virtual event game. Peace out, you guys. Later.